of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KEC74. Taking a look at the 4 through 7 day forecast for Indianapolis and central Indiana. For Friday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. For Saturday night, partly cloudy with chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Sunday, showers likely and chance of thunderstorms.